CengageNOWv2 provides you with the ability to author your own questions. This video will walk you through the steps of creating these self-authored questions and adding them to an assignment. To begin, be sure that Show All Options has been selected. Click on the blue Self-Authored Questions link. The instructor authoring page opens. Click on the blue Create button, which opens the Create a New Folder and/or New Question dialog box. Give your folder a name, and then select Accounting from the drop-down Discipline menu. Next, select your question template choice from the drop-down menu. For this demo, we will select the True/False template. Give your question a name, and then click OK. Your folder now appears on the left along with the question name, and the question editor opens on the right with the True/False template ready for authoring. You can now type your question statement into that field. Double-click on the correct answer, and two directed feedback boxes open. One for the true response, and one for the false response. You may provide feedback if you wish, but this is not mandatory. You can preview your question by clicking on the Preview tab on the top right. When finished, hit Save. You can continue to create additional questions. When finished, click the Publish tab on the left. You will be asked if you are ready to publish. Click OK. A message will appear confirming that your questions have been published for inclusion in assignments. Click the blue Done button on the top right. To add your self-authored questions to an assignment, click the blue Create Assignment button. Decide whether you will be using the question as part of a homework or test assignment. We will select Test. Click on the orange Add Content button. Under Available Items, you will now see a new option called Self-Authored Questions. When you click on it to open, you will see your self-authored folder. And when you click on the arrow to the left of the folder name, your questions will appear. Check off the box to the right under Assign Items, and your questions will be added to your assignment along with any additional questions you select from the Cengage provided bank of questions. If you do not see your new self-authored questions, you may need to use the Refresh button. You can also create self-authored questions from the Available Items page by clicking on the Create New Question button on the right, following the same instructions for authoring your questions. Thank you for completing this video training for CengageNOWv2. For additional help or resources, please visit our training and support sites or join the higher ed community to engage with your peers.